Good morning guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this morning I want to mow the lawn, and I realized that the lawnmower is the blade is not sharp enough. So let me show you how to remove it and how to sharpen it. So it's only screwed with one center screw. You bring it out completely. And that's the blade, and you can see at the blade that it's already mangled up very well. So let's go and grind it. So what we use is the normal grinding block. Then we grind only on one side, because as you see this, the blade actually also works like a vacuumizer. By having this bent up here and the cut or the edge grinded like this, it sucks the air up, and so also the grass. So the grass halms will be straightened up and cut. If that wouldn't happen, the grass halm would just bend down and it wouldn't be able to cut it. So this side is done. Next side. Also done. As you see, it doesn't matter if the edge is actually straight, as long as it is sharp. If I would want it straight, then I would have to redo the whole blade, and that's not what I'm going to do, because the moment I hit one single stone, it will be the same as before. So let's put it back in. So when you assemble it, you have to check that all the grass is out here, so that it's really there even. Then you have a half moon here, full moon here, so it goes in this, and of course this way, so it sucks up. But before we do that, let me remove a little bit of this grass. Because this grass will just put more friction on the blade, and which will drain the battery then faster, or the fuel if you have a fuel driven. So then back at it in. And that's it, and we can start mowing the lawn. So the grass we removed from the lawnmower, I will spread in the garden or in the lawn, because that is actually one of the best fertilizer you can get. And then we just cut over it to spray. So that was it for today for my chores. The gun looks nice again and I can go back to cutting YouTube videos. Thanks for joining in. See you next time. Bye bye.